Greetings, my friends. Happy Friday night to all of you. So, friends, there is an exciting update on the $2,000 fourth stimulus checks. Our lawmakers have just approved a new relief program that would provide low-income households with monthly recurring stimulus payments. There are a few eligibility requirements that you have to meet in order to qualify for this relief payment. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter any of the giveaways, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
For 9 days now, we have seen the national average of our gas prices above the highest ever levels. If that doesn't get folks' attention, I'm not quite sure what will. I come from a state where, we're an energy producer. We recognize that, but yet we pay some of the highest energy costs in the country. And right now, our gas prices are the 6th highest in the country. Statewide, regular gas has increased by more than 50% over last year. It's actually been 52%. As of yesterday, Alaska's statewide average was $5 a gallon. This is the highest ever average in our state. And again, we're used to somewhat high prices, but when it's on average over $5 in places like Anchorage and Fairbanks, think about what that means to our rural communities. Over 80% of our communities are not connected by road. So fuel comes in by barge, fuel comes in by air. In Fort Yukon, up the Yukon River, gas is $7.25 a gallon. Up in Noatak.
So here is some wonderful news, friends. Austin will be the first major city in Texas to use local tax dollars to provide cash to low-income families, and this is to keep them housed as the cost of living skyrockets in the capital city. A $1 million program that cleared a key Austin City Council vote this week. The $1 million program that cleared a key Austin City Council vote this week will send monthly checks of $1,000 to needy households who are at risk of losing their homes. City officials say that this is an attempt to insulate low-income residents from Austin's increasingly expensive housing market and prevent more people from becoming homeless. During a press conference, Mayor Steve Adler said, "We can find people moments before they end up on our streets that divert them from being there. That would be wonderful for them." 8 Austin City Council members voted to establish the Guaranteed Income Pilot Program. The city of Austin joins at least 28 U.S. cities like Los Angeles, Chicago, and Pittsburgh that have tried some form of guaranteed income. Other Texas metro areas have experience with guaranteed income programs during the crisis. Programs in El Paso and San Antonio County have sent regular payments to low-income households using a combination of federal stimulus dollars and charitable contributions. The city of Austin believes to have the only program fully funded by local taxpayers. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on these new guaranteed income programs? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. There are currently shelves at the grocery store empty of baby formula. Predictions of widespread $6 a gallon gasoline, coming food shortages, soaring grocery prices. This current reality is certainly not what millions of Americans expected when the crisis first began. But President Biden promised last year when he said, shortly after taking office, that America is coming back. Yet, there was a growing sense of crisis piling on crisis. A CNN News poll released this week showed that most Americans are very worried about how things are going. Yet for all of the gloom, there's also a time of strange duality in an economy that in many ways has bounced back well from the crisis shutdowns. The jobless rate is near 50-year lows. New claims for U.S. unemployment benefits unexpectedly rose last week, but the labor market remains tight amid worker shortages. with the number of Americans on jobless rolls at its lowest since the year 1969. Though claims have been largely treading water since hitting more than a 53-year low of 166,000 in March of this year, the labor market is rapidly tightening and generating strong wage gains, which are helping to fan overall inflation in the economy. There were a record 11.5 million job openings at the end of March. Claims are down from an all-time high of 6.1 million in early April 2020. Workers in high demand can dictate terms when they get these new jobs. But there are still millions of Americans that are worrying about how to deal with high prices. Predictions of a looming recession make everyone concerned about their jobs, and any pay increases that come with a new job are quickly gobbled up by inflation. So President Biden said earlier this month, "I know that families all across America are hurting because of inflation. I understand what it feels like." Biden insisted that the high cost of living was his top domestic priority. High gas prices are an especially painful blow to wallets, especially in rural areas where many people drive miles to work. President Biden has tried to respond. He released millions of barrels of oil from the strategic reserves and has shamed oil giants for not bringing prices down more quickly. But the prices for everything seem to keep rising. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on the current ongoing crisis here in the United States? And what should President Biden do to make changes? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my fantastic and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here. I greatly, truly appreciate all of you. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Mary Lowe. Congratulations, my friend. If I have announced you as the winner, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Friends, remember that I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter the next giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, my wonderful friends, and have an amazing and blessed Friday.